Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Vivo phone is on and connected to the Wi-Fi you will change. You need the model and Android level to know available options. Next, collect the DNS IP addresses you plan to use. Write them down or copy to clipboard. Once done, unlock developer options only if required and install any small helper app from the Play Store if stock settings lack DNS over TLS. These steps avoid wasted time and prepare you for the first configuration action. You now change the network entry. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the connected network, and choose Modify or Advanced. If Android forces DHCP, switch IP settings to static briefly so DNS fields appear. This does not require changing your IP if you re-enter the original address. Enter DNS1 and DNS2 with the IPs you prepared and save. Make sure to reconnect and verify name resolution. This method edits the client DNS directly and works where system DNS override isn't present. Finish by testing. Open a browser and load several sites, or use a DNS check app to confirm queries hit your chosen server. If results don't change, clear the browser and system DNS cache by toggling Wi-Fi or rebooting. Make sure to restore the original static IP address if you temporarily set one. If settings are ignored, install a trusted DNS over TLS or private DNS app. Because some carriers or Android builds block manual DNS, that app is the only reliable workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.